Have you ever pondered the driving force behind the seamless operations of manufacturing industries, traffic signals, or even roller coasters? The secret lies in the realm of PLC programming, a world that combines logic and control to create order in our chaotic world. Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLCs, are the unsung heroes in the world of automation. They are compact industrial computers that monitor the state of input devices and make decisions based upon a custom program to control the state of output devices. PLC programming, in essence, is the act of creating instructions for these controllers, enabling them to carry out a wide range of automated tasks. It's like teaching a robot how to dance. But instead of dance steps, we are dealing with logical sequences and control commands. The cornerstone of PLC programming is the use of a ladder logic diagram. This diagram, which closely resembles an electrical schematic of a relay control circuit, serves as the programming language for PLCs. Despite the advent of new programming languages, ladder logic remains the most popular due to its simplicity and ease of understanding. At the heart of ladder logic is the concept of conditions and actions. In simple terms, if a specific condition is met, the PLC will perform a certain action. This could be as simple as turning on a light when a button is pressed, or as complex as controlling the movements of an entire assembly line. But why should you care about PLC programming? Think of PLC programming as a universal language in the world of industrial automation. It's a skill that's in high demand across a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and even entertainment. Mastering PLC programming can open up a world of career opportunities, and given the increasing trend towards automation, this demand is only set to grow. Moreover, PLC programming offers a unique blend of practical and theoretical learning. It's not just about writing code, but understanding how that code translates into real-world actions. It's about problem-solving, critical thinking, and creativity, skills that are valuable in any professional setting. In conclusion, PLC programming is a fascinating field that plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. It's a world where logic meets action, where code becomes tangible reality. Whether you're looking to enhance your career prospects or simply curious about the world of automation, there's no denying the relevance and importance of PLC programming. In the world of automation, PLC programming reigns supreme. With its unique blend of logical thinking and practical application, it's a skill that opens up a world of possibilities. So, while the world continues to spin in its chaotic dance, remember that somewhere, a PLC programmer is creating order amidst the chaos.